Who's that? Who's that on the screen? Who is that? G for girl. G for girl. Can you say G? Go. Where'd the girl go? Where'd she go? Where'd the girl go? Can you make the girl reappear? Where'd the girl go? There she is. Peekaboo!